Hello, this is Patrick at OneCNCWest, and what I'd like to demonstrate in this video is a little known technique in which you can reduce the cycle time and also the programming time when roughing out a 3D pocket similar to what we're seeing here. Now, the typical approach is to create a 2D boundary and then apply just a standard pocket operation. This will definitely work. That will remove the material, but there's a much more efficient way. In fact, if we change views to a front view and take a look at the toolpath, you can see there's a lot of wasted air cuts there. Let's take it a step further and let's check out the cycle time. I'm going to double click on the toolpath group and let's select our job sheet. And within the job sheet, using the feed rate that I used, you can see that it almost took 18 minutes to rough that out. That's crazy. That's way too long to rough out a pocket like that. And then there's my feed rate right here, 30 inches a minute. All right, let's change things around. Let's close the job sheet and let's shut this dialog box down. And what I'd like to show you is this. Let's turn the part layer off and let's turn my stock layer on. Here I have a solid model that looks exactly like the part, except there's no pocket in there. I'm going to turn this layer off. Just remember the name of the layer. It's called stock. Let's turn our part layer back on. Let's quickly edit the toolpath. I'm going to right-hand mouse click, select Edit Operation, and from here we're going to quickly push through the dialog boxes until we come right here. And notice there's an option called Machine from Stock. When I click here, this displays all the available layers for the current part file. Now remember, we had that solid model on this layer called Stock, a solid model that did not have the pocket in there. So I'm going to select Stock. By doing so, OneCNC is going to use the solid model located within this layer as a 3D boundary to help contain the toolpath. Let's demonstrate. Let's click Next, 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 and Finish. And there's the brand new toolpath. Again, let's change our views to a front view. Take a look at the toolpath, and now you can see all the wasted air cuts are removed. And we just have toolpath now, efficient toolpath, to rough out that 3D pocket. Let's take a look at the job sheet now and take a look at the updated cycle time. Going to double click on the toolpath group. Again, we're going to push into our job sheet. And now you can see the cycle time has been reduced to just over 7 minutes. We've reduced the cycle time by more than 50%. All right, now there's just one last thing I want to talk about before we finish the video. The solid model that you use doesn't have to look exactly like the part file. It could look something like this and work just as well. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.